Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make your Infiniti G35 faster. We'll start by looking at fundamental engine modifications that can significantly boost horsepower and torque. Improving airflow with a cold air intake and upgrading your exhaust system are excellent first steps. A professional engine tune can then optimize these changes, ensuring your G35 runs efficiently and powerfully. These initial upgrades lay a strong foundation for enhanced performance. Next, let's focus on the drivetrain and suspension, which are crucial for putting power to the ground and improving handling. A lightweight flywheel allows your engine to rev more freely, making the car feel more responsive. Upgrading your differential enhances traction, especially during spirited driving. For better cornering and reduced body roll, consider installing coilovers and stiffer sway bars. These modifications work together to give you a more controlled and exhilarating driving experience. Now, let's talk about stopping power and shedding some weight. Upgrading your brake pads and rotors is essential for improved safety and performance, especially with increased engine power. Lighter wheels reduce unsprung weight, which helps with acceleration and handling. Additionally, strategically removing unnecessary interior components can significantly reduce the overall weight of your G35, making it feel much quicker and more agile on the road. Finally, for those seeking even more power, forced induction, such as a turbocharger or supercharger, can provide significant horsepower increases. Remember, maintaining your G35 is just as important as modifying it. Regular oil and filter changes are crucial for engine longevity and performance. Also, always ensure your tire pressure is correct for optimal grip and a consistent driving experience. These steps will help you enjoy your faster G35 for many miles to come.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.